Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am talking about headline. So what will denote the headline? We will talk about headline today. This line is known as headline, brain line and headline. So we can know about the thinking process of a person, and how his brain is, and if any brain injury or any brain related issues or head injury he can have. So we can analyze by headline. So we will talk about headline today, about its starting and ending point. So let's start. Its starting point can be from Jupiter Mount to Lifeline, anywhere from Jupiter Mount or up to Lifeline. So we will talk about one by one from where it's starting. So what's the result of a headline? If headline is starting from just meeting with Lifeline, so this type of person will have low confidence, and he cannot represent his things in in a meeting or in a society. So he will know more about things, but he cannot represent. He will represent less, and he will have low confidence. So, and next is, if Lifeline headline is little far from Lifeline, so this type of line is good. This type of headline is good. This type of person will have emotions and will have good confidence, and he will have emotions also. So he will take the work with brain and with heart also, emotions with emotions. So both things he will have. This type of line, headline, is considered good in palmistry. And next is Lifeline headline is more away from Lifeline. If this type headline is more away from Lifeline, so this type of line is not good. This type of person will have overconfidence, and he will forced to consider his talk everywhere. So this type of person is not good. So this type of headline is not considered good in palmistry. This type of person will have overconfidence. So this type of person will not be successful in job. If this type of person is in job, so he will not get more success in his job. And other is, if headline is starting from Mars area, this is Mars area. If this type of line headline is starting from Mars line, this type of person will be will not be in a stable in his talk. He will be very fighting person, and his thinking process will not be stable. So he will say one thing, and then after some time he will say another thing. So he will not be stable in behavior also. So this type of line is not good in palmistry. And next is, if a headline is starting from Jupiter Mount, if this type of headline, so starting from Jupiter Mount, it's good. This type of person will be ambitious, and he will be a team leader in his team, and he will be stable in his talk, and he will have wisdom. So this type of line is good in palmistry. Starting from Jupiter Mount, headline is starting from Jupiter Mount is considered good in palmistry. And next is straight headline. If this type of headline having a person, so this type of person will take the decision with his brain, and he will not have much emotions, so he will be congested minded, and he will not give more marks if a person having good communication skill, or if he is marking some persons in book, so he will give less mark. So this type of person is considered congested minded person. So this line is not considered good. This type of brain line is not good. Next is headline is starting from Saturn Mount. If headline is starting from Saturn Mount, so this type of person will not be stable in his behavior. So, and he will have attachment with any art, music, or any photography, or this type of acting also. So he will be interested in art area. So this is all about today. So in upcoming video I will describe about the sign on headline, and if a person having head injury or any head related issues or any accident or this type of any cases, so we will tell about headline detail about the sign and on the headline, and more discussion about the headline starting and ending point. So this is all about today. So if you are watching my videos and like it, so please like and comment on my video and subscribe my channel. And if you want palmistry consulting, so please go on my description box, there is my WhatsApp number. So give your comment on my WhatsApp number, and I will contact you as soon as possible. So it's all about today. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.